So simple, and it takes me right back to being a little fellow on the islands, yeah? Mango chutney. This is a simple raw mango chutney. You will need a food processor or a blender, or if you wanted to grate the mango, you can do that as well. Peel the mango, wash it, peel it, and you would grate it. Yeah, you need shadow benny or culantro. Some people call it bandania. I have a whole Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, crushed garlic. You may need some water, salt, a couple limes, the juice of a couple limes, and if you wanted to put about 1/4 teaspoon, not too much, of anchar masala in here, you can. This is the way I grew up enjoying it. This is the way mommy would make it, my grandmother would make it. So, yo, real simple thing. Quickly get rid of the skin. My magic bullet there. Give the mango a rinse. Yeah. And all we want to do is to cut the pieces of mango flesh like so. And we're just going to give it a rough chop just to make it easier for the little magic bullet here, yeah? So I'm going to go ahead and chop up that mango. In goes the salt, the Scotch bonnet pepper. Of course, you need some shadow benny or culantro. If you don't have that, you can use cilantro. Totally up to you. Some of you call it coriander. Crushed garlic. Of course, we need the juice of 2 limes. So I'm just going to pop this open. Slam this in there. And in goes that. That sort of citrus is going to brighten up everything into the rubbish. That splash of water, the sugar. Now remember what I said earlier there, if you wanted to add a tiny bit of anchar masala in here, you can, or some ground roasted cumin also works. Lid on. I'm going to hit it a little shaky shake like that. And all you want to do is puree this now. Yeah? If you need to add a bit more water, you can go ahead and do so. It'll only take a couple minutes. That's another shaky shake. You're going to pop it open. Yeah, you're going to hit that a little taste test. Partner, this one takes me back, bro. I'm telling you. So simple. And it takes me right back to being a little fellow on the islands, yeah? Mango chutney.